I've walked this trail many times before with Roxy, and now I'm walking it alone 10 times faster. We used to take the stroller, we used to just walk, and now it's just me. It's really different, you know, walking without her. I still think about her all the time, especially places where I would bring her, so it's all new. But it's okay. I'm okay. So peaceful. Let's go this way. See boats and paddle boards. And we'll see lots and lots of birds out there. I love it when I have a place all to myself. No chickens on the trail. When I talk about chickens, it's the women. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Just talking. Lots of birds. This is total of about 1/7 of a mile. So like 7 blocks. Not too bad. The nice part about California, no alligators. At least not here. I was always worried about that in Florida. And they have benches, you know, where you can sit down like this couple right here and just rest. So you'll see a lot of seniors around here walking and then sitting, talking and then walking. Look at, you've got the kayakers here. I was telling her this is the best seat in the house right here. Yeah, I didn't even notice that collapsed right there. Just erosion, natural water erosion. I'm like, let's get out of here. They're gonna run us over. So you obviously know where I'm at. Look at 3 stacks in a rock. Morro Bay. So this is interesting. There's actually sharks in here, baby sharks, leopard sharks. This is protected waters. So you got the loon, the reddy duck, the brown pelican, double-crested cormorant, eelgrass, dudgeon crab, leopard shark, big skate, baby sharks, shovelnose guitarfish, and the harbor seal. Huh. I did not know that. I don't think they bother you though, the leopard sharks. What a beautiful walk though, you know? I love exercising when you don't feel like you're exercising. When you're just exploring and it's beautiful. I mean, that's almost a mile. And it doesn't even feel like it. As long as you don't get eaten by a shark, you're good. We saw, what did we see? The bunny. We saw quail. A lady and I were talking and there was a little quail. And we saw the heron and the pelican. There's the osprey. Right, say the osprey. Osprey. All kinds of birds here. And of course, can't be a day at the beach without Mr. Jonathan Livingston seagulls. Hi. Thanks for greeting me. Some people live on these boats. You can, oh, there's the quail right there too. I love the way they run.